In this video we will see how to use another repetitive structure, which is the while loop. While loop works in a similar way like the for loop. The only difference is we do not have the counter declared within the function. So we need to declare a counter at the beginning of our program and set it equal to 0. Then I will declare another variable to store our value, and initialize it to 0, and we'll use the while loop. Now, in the parentheses of the while loop, we give it the condition for repetition. So we will say while I is smaller than 10, keep repeating. So we will add 1 to a number, and before we exit the body of the while loop, we need to increment I by 1. This is necessary, and try not to forget this, because then you will end up with an infinite loop that will always runs and there is no exit condition. So we declare a counter at the beginning, and then we say I is smaller than 10, keep repeating, and each time it repeats, it increments I by 1 at the end of the line. So here we will display the value of number, again we need to use %d to display an integer, and we need to add sleep at the end to see the result. And start, and as you can see, value 10 is printed on the EV3, which means our loop has repeated 10 times and added 1 to number. And this is again a very brief description of how to use the while loop. We will see more better examples later on.